Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mahesh, and in today's video we are going to see what are macros in Salesforce. So macros are basically uh, it is basically a configuration tool where you can configure automative and repetitive tasks that the sales agent do, or anyone who does some repetitive task in Salesforce that can be actually be automated in just one click. So I'll be showing you that in a simple and very straightforward manner. So let's say I open a case here. If you see, I have opened that case. I'm in the service console app. So if you see this particular case right now, if I go to the details page for that case, okay, if I go to the feed, what I wanted to do, let's say my sales agent or what let's say my customer support team, what it does is whenever they open a case, what they wanted to do is they always wanted to create a new task. For the new task, they always have the same subject, due date, let's say whatever details they want to fill in, and they always try to create a new task for a particular case. But this becomes cumbersome when they want to do it again and again when they open a new case. So to automate that particular task, what we can do is we can create a macro for it. So what is macro is basically we can create a macro. We can say we will be doing this number of things, and once we have mentioned all the details in the macros, what we will be doing, it will be creating that macro, and a macro button will appear here in the bottom. Once they click on that button, once they run that particular macro, all that details would be automatically filled in and a new task would be created, so they can automate that particular task in an easy and very particular manner. But as you can see, there are currently no buttons here present in the bottom. For that macro button to appear, what we'll be doing is we'll have to actually enable that macro for this particular app, that is Service Console. To do that, first let's go to Setup. When you go to Setup, search for App Manager. Once you search for App Manager, just search for Service Console there. Okay, I have the Service Console here. What we can do is, what we'll have to do is, uh, we will have to actually just edit that service console here. Okay, once you do that, all right, once you do that, you'll have to go to utility items, and then you'll have to add a new utility item in that, and you can search for macro here. Just the macro will be added. Just click on save, button will appear here. Just click on save there. Go to navigation items, search for macros here too. I'll add it in the selected list. Search for quick text also, so add it into the selected item list. Just click on save it. Once that is done, you can just refresh the page again, and if you can see in the bottom, currently two new buttons have appeared, and we can see that macro button here also. So just click on that. Right now I don't have any macro yet, so I'll create a new macro. Let's say I name it the macro as create a new task case creation. I'll give some description, task on case. All right, this will apply to case object. I'll click on save. The new macro is now created. Now if I want to add details for the macro, what the macro should do, you should be seeing a edit instructions button here. Just click on that. It will open a build up page for the macro, wherein you will have to fill in all the details what the macro will do. So let's say a new task I have to create. So we have new task here. Just click on that. I want to add the subject, let's say uh, new case was created was my subject, and I'll add some due date here. Just click on due date. All right, I'll add a due date. Okay, I'll add a name here. I can select any contact here. Basically, it's asking for a contact. Then if you see the below fields, I don't want to change these below fields and assign tool with the creator of the record itself, or you can change it according to your need. I'll put the status as, let's say, in progress, and then we would be saving this record. Just click on that, and then once you save this macro, the details would be saved. All right, once the details would be saved, I would go back to the case record again. I'll just refresh the page again. So it's pretty straightforward, and as you can see, I'll open the case again. If I click on the macro again, a new macro would have appeared that you created just now. Just click on that. Now click on run macro. That would now automate the creation of task record. So macro was applied, the new task was created, as you can see here. I'll just open that new task in new tab, and you would be seeing all the details that was filled in by you, like subject, the status, what was the name of the contact that you pre-selected. All those details would be filled in automatically for you. So you can create n number of macros according to your needs, whatever you require and whatever you want to automate on the particular record. So this is how macros are useful. That will boost your productivity in so much way. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time with a new topic on Salesforce that would boost your productivity in Salesforce. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.